Let's see how you can migrate your YouTube channel from brand account to channel permissions so that you can have managers of different level that can do different kind of stuff on your YouTube channel. So click on this channel icon on top right and then click on YouTube Studio. Here scroll down and click on settings. In the settings, click on permissions. Click on move permissions. Click on next, and now you'll have to enter your password or enter your PIN to verify your account. And once this is done, you'll be taken back to your YouTube Studio page. And now, as you can see, you can now invite different level of users. So let's say I want to invite a user. Now I can choose the access level like manager, editor, limited editor, subtitle editor, viewer, and so on. So now I have migrated from brand account to channel permissions, and now you can add managers like this. So this is how you can migrate your YouTube account from brand account to channel permissions. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.